How to get rid of silverfish. Silverfish often slip into homes quietly, settling into dark corners, bookshelves, and bathroom cabinets long before anyone notices. Their quick, darting movements and preference for hidden spaces can make them seem difficult to control, but the process of removing them is far more manageable than it appears. In today's guide, the steps to eliminate silverfish will be laid out clearly and confidently, showing how simple changes, targeted treatments, and consistent prevention can restore a clean, pest-free environment. By understanding what attracts these insects and how they behave, viewers can take effective action and protect their home from future infestations with ease. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you how to trapping silverfish, applying repellents and insecticides, and preventing silverfish. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Things you should know. 1. Wrap a glass or jar up to the top with masking tape and put a piece of bread inside to make a homemade silverfish trap. 2. Leave out adhesive traps near corners of furniture to catch silverfish at night. 3. Spread cedar oil, citrus oil, or strong-smelling herbs to repel silverfish. 4. Control serious infestations by sprinkling diatomaceous earth, boric acid, or pyrethroid insecticides in problem areas. Method 1. Trapping silverfish. Number 1. Catch silverfish in a glass jar wrapped with masking tape. Use a tall mason jar or another deep glass container. Wrap the outside of the container with a piece of masking tape, making sure it reaches all the way to the top. Add bait to the bottom of the glass, like a piece of bread or some raw flour. The silverfish will climb into the glass looking for a meal, but they won't be able to climb back out the slippery inside. Place the traps near furniture corners and along the edges of the walls where silverfish are most likely to forage for food. Check your traps every few days to empty them and replace the bait. Find and share more tips for getting rid of silverfish for good on the How Do I Get Rid of These Silverfish? So Gross forum. Number 2. Trap silverfish in a moist rolled-up newspaper. Roll up an old newspaper, put rubber bands around the ends, and lightly moisten it with a spray bottle until it's damp. Put the newspaper in an area where you've noticed silverfish and leave it until the next morning. Without unrolling the paper, throw it into your trash outside to get rid of the silverfish. Leave out a new newspaper every night until you don't see any more signs of silverfish in your home. Silverfish are attracted to damp spaces and eat paper products, so silverfish burrow into the paper overnight. Number 3. Place sticky duct tape traps in problem areas. Cut a piece of cardboard so it's about 4 by 6 inches, 10 centimeters times 15 centimeters. Wrap a piece of duct tape around the cardboard so the sticky side faces up. Stick the trap onto the floor in the spot where you've seen silverfish. Add bait to the middle, like a small piece of bread or flour to attract silverfish to the trap. Silverfish will crawl toward the food in the center of the trap and get stuck on the tape. Number 4. Use commercial roach traps to catch and kill silverfish. Place the adhesive traps along wall edges and near furniture corners where silverfish are most likely to be. Bait them with small pieces of bread, flour, or another starch. Leave the traps out and come back after a few nights to check them. If you notice any dead silverfish, replace the trap with a new one. Put your sticky traps in moist areas, like bathrooms and laundry rooms, since that's where you'll catch the most silverfish. Keep sticky traps away from pets since the adhesives could catch on your animal's fur. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Applying repellents and insecticides. Number 1. Spray cedar oil or citrus oil in areas where you've seen silverfish. Put a few drops of essential oil into a spray bottle with water and apply it directly on the cracks and seams near floorboards and furniture. Since silverfish are repelled by the smell of cedar, they'll avoid any areas where you apply the oil. You could also try sprinkling cedar shavings along the edges of your attic or basement to keep silverfish out naturally. Number 2. Hang sachets of strong-smelling herbs and spices in cabinets. Fill a few sachet bags with cinnamon, dried cloves, rosemary, lavender, or any other spice that has a strong scent. Hang the sachets on the insides of the doors so the odor gets trapped inside your cabinet and keeps silverfish out. Herbs and spices are safe to use around your kids and pets, so they're perfect for controlling pests without chemicals. Number 3. Spread diatomaceous earth in cracks and crevices around your home. Use a duster to apply the diatomaceous earth to the areas where you've seen silverfish. Make sure the dust coats the surface evenly so the silverfish can't avoid it. The next morning, vacuum up the powder and any dead silverfish along with it. Wear a face mask when you're sprinkling diatomaceous earth since it can irritate your lungs. Diatomaceous earth cuts into the silverfish's exoskeleton and dries them out so they die quickly. Number 4. Sprinkle boric acid in cracks and crevices near infested areas. Wear a face mask and be careful not to inhale boric acid since it can be toxic to the lungs. Sprinkle it along baseboards, under the bathtub, and in other areas where you see signs of silverfish. After a few days, vacuum the boric acid to clean it up. Avoid using boric acid anywhere that kids or pets could get into it since they're more sensitive to the toxic effects. Some experts recommend using Deco silverfish packs that contain boric acid to trap the pests. Number 5. Treat serious infestations with pyrethroid insecticides. Apply the spray in problem areas, such as baseboards, shelves, bookcases, closets, and edges of your windows. Each pesticide works a little differently, so follow all of the directions on the package for when to reapply them. If you're still not able to get a handle on a silverfish infestation, contact an exterminator to help you remove it. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Preventing silverfish. Number 1. Vacuum your home regularly. Anytime you see silverfish, vacuum them up to quickly remove them from your home. Then be sure to vacuum and clean up at least once a week to help get rid of any small food sources or silverfish eggs. Number 2. Dehumidify your home. Run a small fan and crack open a window so there's good airflow since humidity can build up without circulation. If it's still humid after that, run a dehumidifier to help remove more of the moisture from the air. Be sure to fix any leaky pipes or areas where moisture builds up in your home since silverfish will keep coming back to that spot. Number 3. Get rid of clutter around your home. Prevent silverfish by cleaning up piles of books, papers, or dirty laundry on your floor that make perfect hiding spots during the day. Put your items away on shelves and leave a lot of open floor space so silverfish are less likely to stick around. Put away all the food in your kitchen as well so you don't have any left out on your countertops. Don't forget to clear the clutter that's built up outside your home as well. Clean up any dead plants, piles of leaves, or trash around your home's perimeter to keep silverfish from coming in. Number 4. Store paper and cardboard items in plastic storage bins. Take your belongings out of any paper bags or cardboard boxes since silverfish can chew through them. Transfer your items into large tote bins with lids so you can easily seal them and keep them protected from pests. If you have old clothing that you want to protect, you can store it in a garbage bag instead. Use plastic containers for your food and ingredients like flour to keep silverfish out of your kitchen. Number 5. Seal holes and cracks around openings with caulk. Look for any cracks and crevices around doorways, windows, or exterior walls where silverfish could get inside. Apply a thin bead of caulk inside of the crack and let it dry completely to keep pests out of your home. Check for any gaps between the walls and your baseboards as well since silverfish could hide inside. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Silverfish come out at night, so it may be a little tricky to find them. Look for small gray shed skin, yellowish stains on fabric, and small holes in paper to detect where they are. 2. Silverfish are harmless to humans, so you don't have to worry about them stinging or biting you. 3. Check your basement and attic first. Paper-backed or cellulose insulation in these areas is a great source of food for silverfish. 4. If your carpet is dark enough, i.e. not close to white, simply sprinkle cinnamon lightly on the carpet. Silverfish love carpet padding. Work the cinnamon down to the padding to repel the silverfish. 5. Try using orange peels or lemon peels to repel silverfish, as silverfish know that the acid in these peels can dissolve their thin skin membranes. 6. I use a silicone gun to seal all counter edges and trim. It's a great weapon against a silverfish infestation. Warnings. 1. Chemical insecticides might not be safe around children or pets. Always check the safety label on the insecticides and follow the directions thoroughly so no one gets hurt. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and help to reduce silverfish infestations. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.